What if you could bring your most vivid photographic visions to life with unparalleled precision and depth, transcending the ordinary boundaries of color and clarity? You won't believe the level of professional-grade image quality that the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100 is capable of delivering, a game-changing 17-inch wireless inkjet photo printer that is set to revolutionize the way photographers and artists produce their work. For far too long, professionals in the creative field have been plagued by the limitations of conventional printing technology, struggling to achieve the perfect blend of color accuracy, gloss uniformity, and durability. The frustration of watching a breathtaking image fall short of its potential due to subpar printing quality is a pain all too familiar. Whether it's the lack of depth in darker areas, the inability to capture the full spectrum of colors, or the annoying bronzing effect that mars an otherwise flawless print, these issues have long been the bane of photographers and artists seeking to make a lasting impression with their work. But the moment you lay hands on the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100, it becomes abundantly clear that this is a device designed with the utmost care and attention to detail, exuding a sense of premium build quality and aesthetic appeal that is as pleasing to the eye as it is reassuring to the touch. The first time you power it up and begin to navigate its intuitive interface, you can't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation, a sense that this machine is capable of unlocking new levels of creative potential. The substantial weight of the device, the smooth glide of its paper trays, and the soft glow of its LCD screen all conspire to create an unshakable impression of solidity and reliability, like a trusted companion ready to help you bring your most ambitious projects to fruition. Delving deeper into the features of the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100, it becomes apparent that this printer is a masterclass in innovative design and technical prowess. The 11 pigment-based ink system, for instance, is a marvel of modern engineering, providing a broad color gamut and improved gloss uniformity that results in superb glossiness and anti-bronzing. But what really sets this system apart is the inclusion of the Chroma Optimizer ink, which enhances glossiness, flattens the print surface, and expands the color range, allowing for a level of image clarity and depth that is simply breathtaking. The Luciia Pro 2 ink system is another standout feature, helping to achieve an improvement in color reproduction, image clarity, and enhanced darker areas, faithfully reproducing the subtlest nuances of tone and texture with uncanny accuracy. But the benefits of the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100 don't stop there. The printer's ability to produce borderless prints up to 17 inches wide is a major boon for photographers and artists who require large format prints that are both stunning and durable. The wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet, make it easy to print from a variety of devices, whether you're working from a desktop computer, a laptop, or even a mobile device. And with the Canon Print Studio Pro software, you have a powerful tool at your disposal for optimizing your prints and achieving the perfect balance of color, contrast, and clarity. Whether you're printing on glossy paper, matte paper, or even canvas, the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100 is capable of producing results that are nothing short of spectacular, with a level of detail and texture that seems to leap off the page. To put the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro-1100 through its paces, I decided to use it to print a series of challenging images, including a dramatic landscape with deep shadows and vivid colors, a delicate still life with intricate textures and subtle nuances of tone, and a portrait with smooth skin tones and piercing eyes. The results were nothing short of astonishing, with each print emerging from the machine with a level of clarity, depth, and color accuracy that was truly awe-inspiring. The battery life, or rather the lack of need for one, was a welcome surprise, as the printer is designed to operate from a mains power source, eliminating the worry of running out of power mid-print. The speed of the printer was also impressive, with each print emerging in a matter of minutes, depending on the complexity of the image and the quality of the paper used. And as for durability, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 is built to last, with a sturdy construction and high-quality components that are designed to withstand the rigors of heavy use. Of course, no product is perfect, and the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 is no exception. One minor con that I encountered during my testing was the occasional need to adjust the print settings to achieve the perfect balance of color and contrast, a process that can be a bit trial and error, especially for those who are new to professional-grade printing. However, this is a minor quibble in what is otherwise a truly exceptional product, and one that is easily outweighed by the numerous pros that make the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 such a compelling choice. Three massive pros that stand out in particular are the printer's ability to produce images with unparalleled color accuracy and depth, its rugged construction and durability, and its ease of use, which makes it accessible to photographers and artists of all levels, from beginner to professional. In comparison to other printers on the market, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 is in a league of its own, offering a level of image quality, durability, and ease of use that is simply unmatched. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to produce exhibition-quality prints, an artist seeking to create stunning works of art, or simply a hobbyist who demands the best, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 is the perfect choice, a game-changing device that is capable of unlocking new levels of creative potential and producing results that are truly breathtaking. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1100 is a truly exceptional product that is capable of delivering professional-grade image quality with unparalleled precision and depth. With its 11 pigment-based ink system, Chroma Optimizer ink, and Luciia Pro 2 ink system, this printer is a masterclass in innovative design and technical prowess, offering a level of color accuracy, gloss uniformity,